Got a new Stitch Fix today. I'm excited. I needed some new clothes. It's been a while. So let's unbox this thing. But first, I gotta say hi to everybody.
Hello, Diva.
Ow!
Oh, yeah. You've been here all day. Yeah.
Hello, wife. Hello, babe. Gotta go upstairs into the little room so we can unbox this. Let's see what we got. Oh, I gotta change first. Much better. All right, let's go unbox this thing.
Hello, 3PO.
It's Nick, and I'm here with another Fat Guy review. This month we're unboxing Stitch Fix. If you don't know, Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription box for men and men's clothing. You kind of put in your style and they send you 5 or 6 pieces of clothes that they think you're gonna like. You try them all on, whatever you like, you pay for and keep. Whatever you don't, you send back. That's simple. You can actually try it for free if you use my link in the description below. So try it out. Use it. You get me 25 bucks for doing it, so I appreciate you giving it a shot. But let's see what's inside. I'm gonna see if I can put it together with some outfits and see how they look and how you would wear them in real life. IRL, as the kids say. This is Toad Spring. This color, the pattern, it's got little birds on it. It's nothing like what I have, and I think it might look good under stuff and like it's accent piece, so we'll see how that looks. Next shirt is a plaid long sleeve button down. I don't really like plaid, but I do like blue and red and white, so this may be the plaid that changes my life. And we'll see. Plaid looks good with a lot of stuff, especially sweaters. It is getting to be spring and summer, but I live in the Bay, so it's kind of all the same. It's all the same weather. Next up is a short sleeve gray polo. I actually have one almost identical to this, but the material on this feels a little softer. But I like gray polos, however I probably won't keep it because it is so similar to what I already have. Long sleeve blue sweater. I think I have a different color of this almost exact sweater from the same people, and I really like it, so blue is a good color. I might have too many blue sweaters, but I'll give it a shot. It'll look good, definitely, with the plaid shirt. Here's some gray-ish. Oh, it's got a weird tint to the gray, but they're Hawker Rye pants. Again, everything's double XL and these are 42s, but these actually will look good with the sweater and the plaid, so this will be that outfit. I'll throw on some cool shoes and we'll match it together. So let's piece this all together in some outfits I think look good on the chubbier guy to hopefully slim you down. It's all about layers, so let's see what we can come up with. Alright, so the sweater and the button-down flannel shirt go together. I think the colors match up really well. Get a little sleeve showing in the end. I would have to get this tailored. It's a little long, but I have short arms. It might work for you. And you can either put it outside or inside the sweater. So you can either put the collar on the outside or on the inside. It's got the little buttons here so you can choose. But I prefer it to get as far away from my neck as possible because it pushes, yeah, it's like adds 50 pounds. I threw it with the gray pants that they sent from Hawker Rye, and I think the outfit together looks good. Plus I threw in some black shoes that I had. These are the nicer ones. I probably would wear tennis shoes with them, but a little nice black shoe doesn't look too bad. Overall, the pants are a little snug, a little bit, but I think if I wear them throughout the day, I might be able to stretch them out. The sweater fits pretty good. It's a little tight, but it's a good tight. The flannel is a little big. That's a nice feeling, but it is also kind of itchy. I don't know if that's the tag or what, but I feel itchy. For this blue shirt, I went a little more summery. I kept it open. I rolled up the sleeves. It's actually a really comfy shirt. It's really light. I threw under a white t-shirt, threw some brown pants on it, and some white shoes because those make me look fancy. By the way, this whole outfit is by some sort of subscription box or another. My whole wardrobe basically is now all these subscription boxes mixed into one. All I did was add this shirt and all the stuff that I already had, and I have a whole new outfit. All right, so the last thing is the gray polo. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit. It's a little tight. It's a little tight, but threw a jacket over it because they kind of suggested to do that, and I threw it with some jeans, and you know what? The outfit's not bad. So if it fits you, this is the outfit you would wear it with. Also threw in some gray shoes just to kind of coordinate. Look at me, I'm coordinating. Overall, if the shirt had fit, I think this would have looked even better, but I still have one similar to this, so I'm not keeping it anyway. All the things fit really well, Surprisingly, nothing was too small except for this polo. I think my favorite shirt of the day might be the one with the little birds on it, just because I don't have anything like that, and it will make me feel all summery. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos if you like this one to see what the other boxes kind of look like. What clothes do you think I should have kept, or which ones do you like that you want to see in your box? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next month.